answering your first question, I think the Pacers have stood out. I mentioned this before. We've discussed it that people who have standout performances are the ones in the limelight, but guys who have important contributions, especially with the ball, are the ones who take those important 1 or 2 wickets in between the innings to give the spinners a bit of rest and then come back and attack again. And I think the pace bowlers have been able to do that. And one reason for that is they're very comfortable in the roles they've been given, and they've been really happy with bowling in one areas for longer periods of time and not get desperate for wickets. I think that's been the most important thing, to run in hot conditions, not necessarily having the plan to attack all the time can be difficult when you have to bowl dot balls and the batsman's not going to get out if he keeps leaving the ball. But that takes character, and the players have bought into it, and that's one reason for our success as well. People are playing selfless cricket, and the fast bowlers have been, the prime contenders for that. And the way they've stood out during the England series and against Bangladesh as well, just now in Hyderabad, Umesh, Ishant, Bhuvi, all three of them, even against New Zealand, important contributions throughout the series. So yeah, it's been a massive factor for us in winning those series. Secondly, I think we thought even England was a top quality side with a lot more experience than what Australia has right now. But we learned that if we had sustained pressure maintained on the opposition for long enough, especially in these conditions, it will get difficult for them, and that's something that we focused on then, and that's something that we are going to focus on now as well. As I said, we're not going to sit here and judge or focus on how good or how weak the players can be. We just want to execute our skills and make sure that we have that pressure relentlessly on the opposition all the time throughout the test match.